Now we will see the second rule. When a letter of smaller value is placed before a letter of greater value, the values are subtracted. What it means, when we write the smaller value before or toward the left hand side, we subtract that from the greater value. There is one rule again in this. We can subtract I from V and X, we can subtract X from L and C from D and M. V, L and D cannot be subtracted. Now we will understand this rule with the example. Like if you want to represent 4, so we cannot repeat I for the 4 times. So here you can see this V. From this V, before this V, if I have written I, it indicates कि I will subtract this I from V. The value of V is 5. 5 minus 1 will give me value 4. In the same manner, 9. If I want to show 9, then from 10, this X is representing 10. From 10, I have to subtract 1. So it will be showing the value of 9. Same manner, if I want to show 40, so L is the value of L is 50. From this 50 or from L, when I subtract X, because it is written before, so whenever we write the smaller value before greater value, it indicates the subtraction. So from 50, when I subtract 10, the value is 40. This C represents 100. In front of C, before C, I have written X. So the value of X is 10. So I will subtract 10 from 100. So it will be giving me value 90. Same manner, this D is having value 500, and before D, I have written C, which means I have to subtract 100 from it. So the value will be 400. Now M, the value of M is 1000. From 1000, when I subtract 100, I will be getting value as 900. But children always get confused between these two numbers, like it is IV. Here I is written before V, so we have subtracted. The value of V is 5. 5 में से 1 subtract किया है क्योंकि V के पहले I लिखा है और यहाँ पर V के बाद में I लिखा है. हमने फर्स्ट रूल देखा था कि कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू ग्रेटर वैल्यू के बाद में लिखेंगे तो वो ऐड होगी, और सेकंड अभी जो रूल देखा है, अगर ग्रेटर वैल्यू के सामने स्मॉलर वैल्यू लिखी है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. दैट इज़ वाई हियर द वैल्यू इज़ subtracted and here value is added. So children, don't get confused between these two. This is representing 4 because I is written before, subtraction has been done, and here I is written after, that is why addition has been done. 5 plus 1, it will give you 6. So such examples I have written here. This is 9, Ix shows 9 and Xi shows 11. XL shows 40 and LX shows 60. XC shows 90 and CX shows 110. The difference is clear to you because here X is written before, subtraction has been done, and X is written after, so addition has been done. Here CD represent 400 and DC will represent 600 because the value of D is 500. 500 plus C value is 100. So 500 plus 100, it will give you 600. Same manner CM represent 900 because from 1000 we have subtracted 100, so it will be giving 900. Here I have written MC, so the value will be added. 1000 plus 100 will give us 1100. So in this manner we have to remember that V, L and D cannot be subtracted. But what can we subtract? I can be subtracted from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C can be subtracted from D and M. So again this rule is clear. Now the fourth rule. When a letter of smaller value is written between two letters of greater values, we subtract its value from the value of the letter to its right. What it means? When there are two greater values written and the smaller value is written in between, then we subtract the smaller value from the letter which is at the right hand side. Now in Hindi I will say, जब दो बिग लेटर्स के बीच में स्मॉलर वैल्यू लिखी जाती है तब उस स्मॉलर वैल्यू को हम जो राइट हैंड साइड में उसकी बिग वैल्यू उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सी हियर, दिस x is representing 10 and from this x when I subtracting 1 it will be giving me 10 minus 1 9. Here I am subtracting this I from this x which is right hand side. इन दोनों x में से जो x राइट हैंड साइड में है ये स्मॉलर वैल्यू के राइट हैंड साइड में है, तो आई एम सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस x द वैल्यू ऑफ I. सो इन दिस मैनर दिस x I x is representing 19. We will see one more example. Here L and x, these are the two greater values and I is having the smaller value. So we will subtract this smaller value from this x which is towards the right hand side. So from x when I subtract 1 it will be giving me 10 minus 1 9. The value of L is 50. So this L I x is representing number 59. Now here one more example, x L I V. From this L when I have subtracted x because it is written before it, so its value is 40. Now this V is written before this I, or we can see this I is between L and V. So we will not subtract this I from L, it will be subtracted from V only. यहाँ पर L और V के बीच में हमको I दिखाई दे रहा है, तो ये I हम उसके राइट हैंड साइड में जो V है उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So V minus I means 5 minus 1 will give me 4. So in this manner this XL IV is showing 44. So this rule is clear. When a letter of smaller value is written between the letter of two greater value, we subtract its value from the value of the letter to its right.